everyone. I'm going to be reviewing what's going to be on the final and information that you should make sure that you are ready to show me that you know how to do. So I would make sure that you are reviewing and getting ready all lecture notes and example problems. So all lecture notes, example problems, homeworks 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. Make sure you have your textbook. Make sure you have a calculator. Make sure you have something to write with. The exam will mostly focus on chapters 2, 3, 4, 5, and then chemical thermodynamics. So there's going to be no coefficient of performance, efficiency equations, none of what we were doing in chapter 5. You just had a quiz on those. I feel that it's not long enough to be put on a open note, open book final exam. So no COP, no efficiency. I would also make sure that you review quiz number 1 and quiz number 2. And in general, steam tables, you're going to need to know how to use the steam tables in the back of your book. So make sure that you have those available or you find them online. Make sure you know how to use steam tables for internal energy, enthalpy, and specific volume. We did this a lot in chapter 3, 4, and 5. Make sure that you're comfortable with mass balance equations, mass flow rate, how to look at the conservation of mass, the first law of thermodynamics. That was spread throughout chapters 2, 3, 4, and 5 as well. Similarly, energy balance equations, energy conservation. And also the concepts of heat and work. Steady flow and unsteady flow are related to all of these systems, but steady flow systems, unsteady flow systems. So this was mostly chapter 5. Oh, that should say systems. This was mostly chapter 5. There's going to be nothing on combustion. So along with no COP and efficiency, there's going to be nothing on combustion, chapter 15. You should know it just in general for your life and for other classes, but it's not going to be on the final. For chemical thermodynamics, chemical thermo, understanding Gibbs free energy, changing it in enthalpy, equilibrium, coefficients, reaction quotients, and different relationships between these. And then understanding this series of equations. So y equals yf plus x yfg. Remember, we use these a lot with the steam tables. So understanding the relationship to all the steam tables. And then, in addition, specific volume, energy, work, etc. So remember, if you have something per a unit mass, that this was considered like specific volume, specific energy, specific work. Okay, so the exam is going to be from 11:35 to 12:55 p.m. on Friday. At the end of this, you'll have 30 minutes to take a picture of all of your work, make it into one file, and upload it. If you don't upload it by 1:25 p.m., then I will take off 40 points. You have 30 minutes to upload it. So, in addition, make sure all your answers are boxed, you show your work clearly, and your units are correct. Finally, for those of you who don't know, you have to obtain a 73.3% in the class in order to pass. So this is considered a C, not a C minus. It doesn't have to be your exam average for this class. It just has to be your class average. Some classes, your exam average has to be a 73.3. For this class, you just have to have a final average of 73.3. And the final exam is worth 25% of your grade. If I had known that we were going to be virtual, I would have readjusted this, but we've been told to not change what we promised in our upfront syllabus. So, you know, luckily this final is open note, open book, and it's going to be 4 questions long, 4 working questions, 4 questions. So, you know, it shouldn't be too intense, especially since quiz 3 was really easy. The average of quiz 3 was like a 90%. So, you know, hopefully that was a nice little boost. So, good luck getting everything prepared, reviewing, studying for the final exam. You're almost done. I hope everybody is really excited, and we will see you guys later. Bye.